Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Boulder Creek. Today, we're at Nine Burger, or what used to be Nine Burger, and we're with some of the guys, and we're heading up Highway 9, and I got a little treat for you guys. Talk about some of the things that's going on with the Streetfighter. Bogna has got a video for you guys finally on the Tuono, so make sure you guys stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, like button, you know, all that good stuff. But let's get on this bike and out on Highway 9 because I love this road, so let's get going. All right, guys, well, here we are, and super excited for this ride. I love 9. It's good, fast sweepers, some decent corners. We got some Timmy over here. He's a little fast. Yeah, you might be able to keep up with me. But make sure you hit up Bogna's video, because that thing is she's going to give you guys a little look into the Aprilia Tuono, get on that thing firsthand for the first, I think she's got about 350 miles on that thing, so she's racking them up a little bit, racking them up. We've been out to the coast already. Now we've got to take it a little bit easy because we have some type of an event up ahead of us. 2 CHP officers, the fire department, tow trucks have already headed up this direction, so hopefully it's not too far up, so we can turn up the dial just a little bit for you guys. Tim's back there on his girlfriend's S1000 RR 2020. So he's scooting along. He's got an 18 S1000 RR that he is looking to sell and get into. I don't know. He's kind of all over the place. He's talking about some different styles. Talking about the Streetfighter, maybe the Tuono, Super Duke R. All right, here we are, Highway 9. Up with little Trev, call him the Beeb. So we call him Justin Bieber because years ago, God, I've known this kid since, I think, like I said, I think in one video he was like 17 when I first met him, riding up here, and we've come a long way. Trev, if you're watching this, buddy, just good friendship, good old friendships. We used to ride up in these roads, so he was part of the kind of the original crew of riding up here. Me and Doug Davis and Deb, Jeff, all those guys. Jeez, so Deb and Jeff came up and said hello. They weren't riding today, but it was kind of nice of them just to kind of be on, come say hello to us. We don't get to see each other much. So it's just kind of, this has been good friend family day. We've got some stuff coming up. You guys should see this around midweek. We've got a truck day coming up, and I said in the last video it'll be good because we're going to get you an on-track shootout between the Streetfighter, the BMW S1000R, and the Tuono. Now, we were talking at lunch about the BMW S1000R, and I know the 2021 is supposed to have some new stuff, but by the looks of it, I'm not been impressed with the looks and what they're doing. We were hoping that they would have a full S1000 motor. It looks like it has the S1000 XR motor, because it looks like there's no shift cam technology plate on the side. So I got Tim knocking on my back door. That's my cue to give you guys a little bit of a ride, because Tim's right on my butt and I can't let him show me up. God, this thing is just, I hate this corner right Ooh, what's up, you guys? Oh boy. So yeah, so I'm gonna get. So all right, so back to the S1000R. Tim's back. Ah, Tim. Should have been a second. But S1000R, sorry. You know, everyone kind of discounts that thing. You don't see them in shootouts anymore. You know, Motorcycle News. You know, they take an MT10 and a Yamaha. I don't even know what the new Yamaha H2Z or whatever it is. But they don't talk about the S1000R anymore, and I don't know. Wagner really loves that thing, so we're gonna be able to get that thing out on track for you guys. And get that thing running pretty good for you. So we're gonna. Oh my God! Look what the cat drug in. This, sir.
What the fuck are you doing?
You know, I send this jerk a message, and he can never reply.
Dude, how's it going?
What's up, brother? Big Roy makes an appointment on the appearance.
I'm like not used to seeing this one. Like those leathers.
Wait a minute, I know that guy, John Roy. So we were just talking about the crew on the vlog, and here we are. So let's take a quick intermission break, and see you guys on the rest of the way up 9. We got to get running again. So good seeing you, Big Roy. Tell Maggie I said hello.
That's hilarious.
Oh, all right. You gonna start here? All right, guys, so after a short intermission, John Roy, he was one of the guys we used to ride with up here, so very good to see him and run into him. Call him Chewbacca. He's got the brown leathers. I love it out here, guys. It's just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, and just waiting for everyone to kind of reel up, make sure everyone's here, and then away we go. The little 300 that was in front of us, he's with us. I'm sure we'll catch him up. But Tim's behind me again, so let's get rolling. So back to the track conversation, and again, apologies for being a little all over the place, but yeah, I really want to get that S1000R out on track and get you guys a comparison with this, the S1000R and the Tuono. Now I know it's a hard comparison because it really doesn't compare, but now you guys are comparing the MT10 to these bikes, and the MT10 is a comparison to the S1000, so I would have gone that route. So anyways, my 2 cents about the S1000. I'm bummed, and I hope that BMW pulls a rabbit out of their hat, because I would definitely put one in the collection. So a couple new things going on. up to speed on some stuff. So I know you guys, some of you guys saw the vlog helmet build. I've got the new HWY K5 that I'm already replacing. So the problem that I have with this helmet, just FYI, is the brow is so low. And when I put my head down, I can't see. Like right now, like looking, I'm a little bit tucked, but kind of looking through the brow. And when I get into kind of my good body position, I can't get my chin up high enough to see through corners. So touch base with the Ruroc guys and talk to them and let them see if they see how their helmets are. So I did buy it from them. They're not supplying it to me. I buy all my stuff, support companies. So we're gonna have the new Ruroc and see how that goes. I've heard good things. Obviously, there's a lot of reviews online about them, but you know, they can always be swayed because Ruroc has given a lot of these guys their helmets. So I will tell you what I think personally here in not too long. So stay tuned. It should be here this week. Ouch, 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 ouch. Whew. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I always slow down in that spot because people pull out of that vista point. So that was what the whole deal was. Vlog helmet setup though, slightly different mount. I found a mount that works with that Ruroc helmet that's gonna work really well. So I'm anxious to get it, for the track day. So with that track day, we have Dave Moss is attending, and we have a hour slot with Dave and Bogna. So stay tuned because Bogna's an amazing rider. If you guys have seen her ride, she's an amazing rider. Body position, you just can't even correct anything. But she needs to get a little bit more of the throttle, right? She needs to get a little bit more comfortable with the kind of outer corner speeds and whatnot. So just some fine tuning stuff that Dave Moss is going to work with her about. So that's going to be super, super cool. He's going to be able to get all of the bikes reset up for the track. We were talking over lunch, you know, biggest best mod that we could talk about over lunch was the price to get your suspension properly set up. Even with the dynamic suspension and electronic suspension, getting suspension set up properly is the best money that you can put into your bike. And you're kind of moving there, buddy.
I can actually ride this really fast.
Yeah.
I just don't have the passing power, so I can't
yeah.
pass them in the straights, but I turn quicker. So.
Yep. Brother.
That was fun. Oh, yeah.
So you loving it, babe? Slowpoke. But thanks for coming along for the ride, you guys. Bogna, make sure you stay tuned for her video. I think she's going to give you guys a little bit of the input on the Tuono. This Streetfighter is just flipping balls, baby. Ooh, I'm working the front too. I love it. Well, thank you guys for coming along and joining us. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. Like buttons are more important than you know. And of course, leave me a comment down below. We're heading back up to Alice's restaurant to complete our ride. Maybe I'll shoot some bonus footage. So stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe, and Bogna's video linked up above. And we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.